Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you how I make my lemon blueberry pound cake recipe. It's a very easy recipe. I'm using my basic pound cake recipe. The only difference here is I am adding a little bit of lemon juice and some blueberries. So let's get started. For this recipe, you first gotta make sure that all of the ingredients are at room temperature to make sure that the cake mixes well. First, gonna start by mixing our sugar and our butter. Here we have to make sure that it's completely smooth and it's gonna change the colors. So here in my bowl, I'm gonna add my sugar and my butter. Add my whisk and just mix it until it becomes fluffy and smooth and it changes color. As you can see, our mixture has changed color. It's a lot more wider now and smoother. Next, we add the eggs. We're at room temperature. We're gonna add them one at a time. Just gonna show. And then mixed. Everything is well mixed. Now it's time we can add in this is lemon juice and the zest of a lemon. We're just gonna add that in. Mix for a few seconds. Again, a few seconds. We have 3 cups of flour, and I'm gonna add a baking powder to the flour. I'm just gonna mix it. And then I'll put 1/3 of the flour in the mixture here. Full speed. And while everything is mixing, I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of yogurt. Here I have Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup. And then I'll add another 1/3 of the flour. So we just gotta alternate, starting with the flour and ending with the flour. That's enough. You don't want to mix the flour too much because it will your cake will become very dense. You have to do the rest with your spatula and just fold in. Don't mix in, just fold. Just to make sure you get everything at the bottom. Now I have my blueberries here, and what I'm gonna do, they are frozen. I'm just gonna add about 1/2 tablespoon of flour. So to make sure that your blueberries don't sink at the bottom of the cake, you have to add a little bit of flour to the blueberries. Now it's time to put them in our mixture. Fold them in. Don't mix them. Now your cake batter is ready. It's now time to put them in a flour cake pan. We are gonna bake this in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and until toothpicks that you stick in comes out clean. All right, I'll see you when everything is ready. When your cake is done, let it rest for 10 minutes before taking it out of the mold.